Mahilig ba kayo sa mga pagkaing madaming spices? Baka trip nyo ang mga Asian food mula Malaysia dahil may natuklasan kaming cafe sa Pasay City. Di namin yan i-gatekeep lightmates, kaya naman narito ang report. Craving ka ba sa Malaysian o Singaporean food? No need na bumiyahe abroad dahil dito mismo sa Pasay City matatagpuan ang Mr. and Mrs. B Cafe, isang tahanan ng authentic Malaysian at Singaporean dishes at drinks. Nasi lemak, mee goreng, curry, lahat yan, signature flavors mula sa Malaysia at Singapore, meron sila dito. At hindi lang yan, dito mo rin matitikman ang hand-pulled specialty coffee at teas na tunay na tatak Asia.
Actually, the Malaysian dish is varieties of like Chinese taste, Indian taste, and the Malay. So this one have different spices combined together in one dish.
Ito ang kakaibang kwento ng kanilang lutuin, isang timpla ng kultura, lasa at tradisyon na pinagsama-sama sa bawat plato.
We bring this here in the Philippines because like for us Filipinos, we also like to eat flavorful foods. So that's why we come up with bringing the Malaysian food here so that we want the locals to also try the dishes from Malaysia.
Dahil sa hilig ng Pinoy sa masasarap at malasa, dinala nila rito ang paborito ng mga Malaysian at Singaporean para tikman at mahalin din ng ating mga kababayan.
Most of our ingredients comes from Malaysia and Singapore. So we ship out our ingredients from Malaysia direct here to the Philippines. Then like if we don't have the items on hand, we just put it sold out because we want to maintain the taste of our food.
Imported man ang karamihan sa sangkap, sinigurado nilang may Filipino twist din ito. Mas pabor sa panlasa ng mga Pinoy, lalo na sa level ng tamis at anghang. Ang kwento ng kanilang cafe ay maihahalin tulad sa nasi lemak, isang pagkaing mabusisi at mahirap ihanda. Ngunit sa huli, sulit at punong-puno ng sarap.
The food experience that we want our customers to have is like whenever they dine with us, they would remember that whenever they travel to Singapore or Malaysia, when they taste our food, they will say, it tastes exactly the same.
Bawat kagat, bawat higop, parang nasa ibang bansa. Bagamat bago sa paningin ng iba, kapag natikman, parang matagal nang kilala ang lasa.
Biggest challenge is that others are not familiar with it, and then it's like they find it weird, the taste, but when they try it, we're glad that they like it.
Kaya kung hanap mo ay kakaibang food trip, puno ng kultura, istorya, at lasa, tara na sa Mr. and Mrs. B Cafe sa Pasay.